Hindi ya mucemanio wa memba bodi ya Kiama kia UDA mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru kwarira mitaratara ya uria megukorwo magitabania ithurano cia wamũrani kiama-ini giki iria irarĩrĩirio gũgatabanio mweri-ini wa ĩna. Kiama giki ni kiyumĩrĩtie kuregana na ndeto ati ni mambĩrĩirie mibango ya uria makagayana iturwa angikorwo ni makoya thirikari thutha wa githurano kia mweri wa ĩnana. Kuringana na mwandiki munene kiama-ini giki Veronica Maina, muoroto wa kunyitana kona kiama kia ANC na Ford Kenya ni kurehe Kenya hamwe na kugacirithia wonjoria bũrũri-inĩ ĩndĩ ti kũgayana iturwa. Ihinda-inĩ riu bodi ya ithurano kiama-ini giki ni meranĩire kũgũithia marĩhi na gĩcunjĩ kĩa 50% kũrĩ atumia na mbeũ njĩthĩ arĩa marahũranĩra iturwa itiganĩte kũgerera kiama giki, kũrĩa ningĩ meranĩire ithurano cia wamũrani na uma na ũtheri.
That the board has waived nomination fees for all persons with disabilities vying for any position within the party and approved a 50% fees waiver for women and youth aspirants.
Muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa bodi ĩno Anthony Mwaura augite ni megũkorwo makĩrũmĩrĩra mĩtaratara ĩrĩa ĩheanĩtwo nĩ kamĩtĩ ya ithurano na mĩhaka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ya IEBC.
That the board has laid down very clear nomination process that is geared towards free, fair, transparent and verifiable party primaries. The nomination process will treat all the aspirants equally and in a democratic manner. That the board has put in place a strategy for access to regular information by all members and candidates.
Mwaura ni orĩtie ateti kiama-ini giki gũtabania kampeni ciao na njĩra ya thayũ, kũrĩa ningĩ aikĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ arũmĩrĩri a kiama giki gũkorwo na wĩigĩrĩrĩki.
The party continues to urge our supporters and the public to maintain peace and have decorum in their engagements. All public addresses should and must foster peace, respect for all competitors and unity within the democratic space. The board wish to inform members of the public and the party aspirants that it shall publish through the local days and the party's interactive websites the notice of invitation to participate in UDA nominations on 1st of February 2022.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Wainaina wa Kĩarie.